Hello, hello everybody, Kyung here, and I have this beautiful little journal that I have made and I'm listing it on Etsy. It's a cute little one signature journal. The cover was made using an old vintage Reader's Digest, so I repurposed that. It's like a hardcover, right? And so it opens with this beautiful sari silk, and here is the front cover, right? Inside cover. We have a library card, right? Just a cute little like coffee dyed library card. And this library card was sent to me in a happy mail. And then here we have our first tab. And we have this pocket with this journaling card, right? And I think this book page came out of the book, this Reader's Digest book. So the book pages you see in the book came from the Reader's Digest book the cover came from. So we have an Edith page, just a lot of journaling space in this one, and then a few decorated pages, right? Lots of lace. This was one of the Roxy's Weekly Challenge video projects that I did, right? There's that. It's got a little journaling card. On this side, we have this little flip up for journaling. And on this side, we have this little pocket with this pretty tag, right? And this Moments piece was sent to me by Jean in a happy mail. And then we have this, which is beautifully frames this page, which is just a pretty decorated collaged page. Lots of journaling. Here we have this pocket. And it's got two cool cards and another little like library card in there. And then in this, we have this altered envelope. We have a tearaway notebook, right, with a pretty butterfly, with music paper, and inside, right, we have another little tearaway notebook, right, with this beautiful collaged napkin on top, and it's got that beautiful texture. Here's another one, right? Another tearaway notebook. So a triple tearaway notebook in this little envelope piece. This pretty bird, it's a spruce grouse. Right, more journaling. We have this one. This opens like this. And then we have a pocket that has a card and this cool thing for journaling, right? Love conquers all. So there's that. There's a pocket in here with this, right? Pretty journaling paper, which I love. I think it's super pretty. This pretty silver paper. It's like metallic paper, a botanical page, lots of handmade paper. Lots of hand coffee dyed papers and stained papers. Here we have this little pocket tuck or side tuck. We've got these little quotes and then this beautiful tag in here, right? Backed with coffee stained paper. And on the other side, we have the same thing, a couple of quotes and this tag backed with coffee stained paper with like stenciling done. Right, there is some sparrows and stuff, various pages and handmade papers. And here's this. This flips open like this to reveal this label. And inside we have some ephemera pieces, like a little postcard and some tickets. Right, beautiful. Lots of journaling. Here we have this pocket, right, very pretty. We have this little, just some papers. These are like little Edith Holden notepad papers. A journaling card and a gnome, because you got to have a gnome, right? So he's in there. Right, more collaging, decorated pages, some coffee dyed. Here we have this envelope with a notebook inside. Did I stitch it in? I might have stitched it in. We got it. This pretty notebook, right? It just got glued. But it's just a notebook, right? With papers. Lots of papers. That goes in there. I'll put a piece of lace down a piece of lace or washi tape or something down there since I accidentally glued it into the pocket. Here we have this for journaling. I thought this was really cool. Just a random piece. It's got a pretty flower on it. Lots more journaling and handmade paper. Here we have this. This is one of those document holders. Right? See, look at that. All the documents. Super cool. So, yep, there's that. This folds open like this. There it goes. Quite a giant page. So it folds 3 times like that. And I glued it a little close to the spine, so you just have to be mindful. And then here we have this pocket with these little pieces of ephemera. Right, a book page, more journaling. This flips open. Very cool. And that is it. That is it. Just a cute little journal to write in, just a little journaling journal. So there it is. Yep, I'll have it listed in the Etsy and everything. So, and that's it. So I hope you all have a wonderful weekend and I will talk to you later. Bye.